In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create any AI automation with Make.com and ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable workflow that listens for a trigger, sends your data to ChatGPT for processing, and delivers the results exactly where you need them. Start by opening Make.com and creating a new scenario. Think of a scenario as your automation canvas. This is where you'll chain together apps, pass data between them, and define how the whole system behaves. Give it a clear name so it's easy to find later. Next, add your trigger, the event that starts everything. Choose the app that should kick things off. A popular example is Google Sheets with the Watch New Rows event. Whenever a new row is added, Make will wake up and run the scenario. You can choose other apps, but the idea is the same. Something happens, and your automation begins. Now add the OpenAI module. Click the plus button, search for OpenAI, ChatGPT, Sora, Whisper, and select Create a Chat Completion. This step sends your data to ChatGPT so it can generate content or answers. Connect OpenAI to Make by adding your OpenAI API key and saving the connection securely. Treat your key like a password and keep it private. Choose your model next. Pick an available model in your account. If the example shows GPT 5.5, simply select the best model you have access to. Higher capability models usually produce richer results, but any supported option will work. Add your instructions under Messages, set the role to User, and write a clear, direct prompt in text content. For example, write an Instagram caption for this product and product name. Keep your prompt specific so the output is consistent and on-brand. Map data from your trigger into the prompt. Use tokens from Google Sheets, Airtable, or whatever app you chose so the text is dynamic. For instance, make sure product names pulls from the column in your sheet that contains the product name. Decide where the result should go. Add an output app such as Google Sheets, Airtable, Gmail, or Slack, and map the ChatGPT response into the correct field or message body. Run a test by clicking Run Once. Check the output and the module logs to confirm the response looks right. If needed, refine your prompt or mapping for clarity. Finally, save and enable the scenario. From now on, your AI automation runs automatically whenever the trigger occurs. Thanks for watching.